Gosh darn coronavirus at it again, closing down Mexican restaurants left and right. Well, don't worry about it, I've got you covered. Flour tortillas, 2 ingredients. Can you believe it? I can't. Well, I can, because I'm making it. Check it out.
Alrighty, for these flour tortillas from scratch, you need 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Put it in a mixing bowl, something large enough for where you'll be able to knead it with your hands. Next, 3/4 of a cup of water. Now, these are vegan friendly, so you'll see me add 2 tablespoons of oil right away. But if you want, by all means, put in some lard. Some people put in bacon fat. People are crazy. I mean, that's not great. It actually sounds good. Anywho, get it together, mix it with a spoon, and when you're ready to get serious, move on to your hands. Now, wash your hands, people. Coronavirus out there. People are dying in the streets. Please, wash your hands. Anyway, we're kneading our dough, making it beautiful and cohesive. You'll know when it's ready. I mean, it'll look like dough, you know, just without weird pieces of loose flour hanging out. So it'll look like that. Get off the excess. Then it's very simple. Just get yourself a little piece like that and roll it into a ball. And you'll have to eyeball it. Like for me, it seemed a bit small. It was a bit small. So you see, I ended up adding a bit more. You could just make one and see if it ends up too small. Whatever. Go with the flow. Go with the flow, people. All right, now at this point, the ideal thing would be if you had a tortilla press, which I don't have, you would just do this. It's so simple. I should actually get one. It's not that expensive, like 30 bucks, I think. You just squeeze that bad boy and you end up with the perfect tortilla, perfect width. Everything is beautiful. But because I don't have it, we're gonna wing it. This is what we do. Take a piece of parchment paper, put in your dough ball right in the middle. Take another piece of parchment paper, cover it up. Now, get yourself a pot with a flat bottom, just like that. And the next stage would help if you put on some weight, which I did during isolation. Get your butt on that pot, bam, squeeze it down as much as you can. And look at this beautiful technique. They're gonna start using this in restaurants from now on. Look at this amazing tortilla. Look how flat, look how beautiful, look how wonderful and marvelous this tortilla is. Okay, I actually had to roll it out a bit more. It wasn't as thin as I wanted it. But if you're really fat, you'll get the perfect tortilla. Anywho, put it on a non-stick pan. And just basically, it should be on medium heat. And you'll see that it starts getting a bit toasted, a bit crispy on the bottom. And you'll start noticing some bubbles start to appear like that. That's good. That's beautiful. That's what we want. Just flip it around. And you know what a tortilla should look like. You know, it has a little, it shouldn't be burnt, but it should have like brown spots. So it should look like that. Now, unfortunately, I had no Mexican stuff to put in the tortilla. So I used just fried chicken cutlets, which I cut into strips. So, sorry guys, it's a tortilla video, not a Mexican food inside tortilla video. I apologize. What can I do? What can I do? All right, ketchup, and that's it, guys. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.